What's going on, YouTube? It's been forever since I made a video, but you know, it's kind of a gloomy day here in Tillsonburg, Ontario, so I figured it's time to do an unboxing. And yeah, you know, it's probably going to be a little shaky because I haven't done one of these videos in a long time, but here we go. Check out my awesome, absolutely wicked setup. Well, and you're kind of seeing what I'm already unboxing, but here we go. Here we go. We've got the Fallout box. Here, let me just focus this. So, you can't really see it all the way, but I'll make sure that's changed. See? Got that. Oh yeah, just real shitty, but what are we gonna do?
Great video.
I got this here ZT flipper that, you know, I feel like showcasing this video too. Absolutely great. Look at that. Beautiful, smooth. I'm gonna make sure not to damage the box at all. Let's go ahead and, yeah, I'm gonna fix this up a little bit, just a smidge. Oh, you know what? Perfect. There we go. Nice. So let's get right in it here. $29.99 or $96 at Walmart. So really not all that expensive or anything, but you know, it is what it is. Supposed to get here before I take that off. We get a beanie, a mystery vinyl bobblehead. I hope it's not the Charisma one because like everyone else I see gets the Charisma one. Deck of cards, some Mentat socks, and an exclusive bottle opener, Nuka-Cola. Let's go. So yeah, as you can probably tell, I like Fallout quite a bit, and I'm assuming anyone out there watching this probably does too, and they're wondering, Pete, should I actually get this box? Well, to be honest with you, I don't know, but they have some sick and wicked art on here. So, how do you get this open? Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, alright. So right away, you get this sweet, shut up. My buddy's here, he's being a dick.
That was the real video.
Yeah, the real video. If you're a subscriber and know what I'm talking about, you know. Look at that. Sweet art. Sweet beanie. Check it out. He's dead. No way. We'll try that on. We'll get a view of that with that on my head. Oh, and here's what we came for right here. That Fallout Vault Boy beanie or bobblehead, not beanie. Come on, Pete. Charisma, unfortunately, I feel like every single one is the Charisma, unless they're like sneaky and like, you know, soil you. Here's the Mentat socks. I don't know if I really want to open this because I feel like I should keep it sealed, but maybe for you boys and girls out there watching, I might just have to do it. Alright, and moving on. The Nuka-Cola bottle opener. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Cool. What else we got here? We got these here. Oh, my favorite. Cards. Oh yeah. Play some poker or something. Alright, so I'll get back to you in a sec with maybe some beanie shots. Alright, peace. What are those? Straight Mentat socks, that's it. So anyway, that kind of wraps it up. Didn't take that tag off because, you know, that's how it is. Keep it feng shui, original.
100.
Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video because I certainly enjoy making it. Peace out, YouTube.